once I get it planed down, I usually plane it first, then I cut it in circles, but this thing was too big to put through my planer at 20 inches. So cut it down to what I wanted, and now I'm gonna put anchor seal on it, which is in this little container I have here. I put 2 coats on it. I let it dry overnight. So I put the first coat on tonight, let it dry throughout the day. By halfway through the day, I put another coat on, and it's dry by the time I go out of my shop at night. Once I get it coated, I will come up and I will put what it is and the date. So I know when I started drying that. All right, I've already got the circle drawn on this one. I got it to thing. Let's go ahead and cut on through it. All right, and that's how you cut a blank. Now let's go get the... One thing you got to do is just make sure all the sawdust is off of it. And I keep my a little bit of anchor seal at a time in this little container here. Now I'm going to let that dry a couple hours, and I'm going to put another coat on it. I usually put at least 2 coats of this on it, and it works pretty good. Once these are cut round and sealed, I put them down here under my workbench, and I put stickers under them and let them dry. And then when I want to turn a bowl, I can turn a bowl. Hey, thanks for watching. Okay, very dumb mistake on my part. I seem to have put the blade upside down. Let's fix that. Real quick, you may ask how somebody puts their blade in upside down for the bandsaw. Well, if your blade is inside out, it's only one way to go, and that's upside down.